Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a doctor of Chinese medicine and I want to talk to you about preconception care. So preconception care is so important. Preconception care is everything that you do with your diet and lifestyle in the lead up to trying to fall pregnant. In the 3 months before an ovulation, that ovulation is really influenced by what we're eating, how we're sleeping, what our stress levels are like, what environmental toxins we're exposed to. That all goes into the development of that follicle and that egg when we're leading up to ovulation. And then if that was an ovulation where someone gets pregnant, that quality of that egg really dictates the health of that child. And the same goes for the quality of the sperm as well. The quality of both the sperm and the egg coming together really sets up and dictates what their child's genetics are going to be like and what their predisposition to disease is going to be. So putting in a couple of solid months in the lead up to trying to fall pregnant is really important. So the general guidelines is putting in at least 3 months of preconception care, but ideally anything even up to a year has been shown to actually have an effect on the health of the child. So the more time you can put in the lead up to trying to fall pregnant, the better. So when we're thinking about preconception care, we're really thinking about what our diet's like. Are we having organic food as much as possible and reducing our exposure to pesticides that can impact the way our liver functions and that can create damage within our eggs? We want to be avoiding lots of processed and packaged foods and really opting for eating whole fresh foods as much as possible. This can really have a big impact on not only the way our eggs grow and develop and line up chromosomally normal, but also the way our digestive health functions and the way our liver health functions. And both of these, from a Chinese medicine perspective, is so important for a healthy menstrual cycle, which then means ideally healthy fertility and a healthy pregnancy and baby. We always look at the menstrual cycle in Chinese medicine, and we always like to say that a healthy menstrual cycle is a fertile one. So we can look at the menstrual cycle and see if there's any tweaks that need to happen there, if the bleed is a little bit clotty, or if there's too much blood, or if there's not enough, or even if there's pain with the period or mood changes or any kind of really clear hormonal imbalance and sign of things not flowing nice and freely. These can all give us clues as to where we should hone in on and what we should really focus on. So doing different types of preconception care is really important. Looking at stress levels, looking at what your sleep habits are like, making sure that you're getting really nice, deep quality sleep is so important for the lead up to trying to fall pregnant, because we're trying to take off as much pressure off the body as possible and eliminating as much stress as possible. Because any type of stress, whether it is mental or emotional stress or physical stress on the body, can create free radical damage within our cells, and that can then create issues with egg and sperm quality. And from a Chinese medicine perspective, this is all affecting the Jing. The Jing in Chinese medicine is the basis and the foundation of our reproductive essence, and it's what we come into the world with, and we can add to this and try and boost it throughout our life with really good diet and lifestyle practices, and this can really help to dictate what our future fertility is going to be like. So with the Fertility Tea blend, it's got really great herbs in there that actually help to focus on the liver health and on digestive health and boosting up blood production so that we can have really nice healthy menstrual cycles and really smooth flowing of liver energy and really strong digestive system, because everything that we take in through our body, through our food and drink, really supports our gut health. It either supports it or it doesn't, depending on what we're having. Ideally, we're having really good quality food and drink, and this can then put our bodies in a great position to have a really nice healthy basis and foundation for fertility. So Fertility Tea blend is a really great way to add into, it's a really great thing to add into your preconception care regime, whether you're making any diet changes or if you're starting to make some lifestyle changes. Adding in the Fertility Tea blend is a really great way to utilize Chinese medicine and utilize these types of herbs that are specific to the reproductive system and helping to nourish a healthy foundation for fertility. If you have any questions about any of that all, please let us know and we'll be happy to get back to you.